Can a natural herb like ashwagandha help you build muscle? Today I will be sharing you my honest opinion and whether it is worth it adding to your routine. I will as well share my experience using ashwagandha and my overall take on it. Can ashwagandha help you build muscle? Let's find out. Comment down below into the section whether you're taking ashwagandha and is it helping you build muscle. Consider subscribing and liking if you want to see more exciting videos like this in the near future. Is it actually that effective as people talk about in the internet? We would really help you build muscle. So ashwagandha is a very powerful herb used in the Indian medicine, and it is gaining traction into the fitness world for its potential benefits for muscle growth and strength enhancement. So ashwagandha is an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body to manage stress and promotes homeostasis. Managing stress while building muscle is very crucial for your body's growth potential. Life can be very stressful, leaving little room for recovery and growth. That's where ashwagandha shines. By navigating stress, ashwagandha creates a more supportive environment for muscle growth, allowing you to focus on your fitness goals. If you're not in a homeostasis, if you're in constant stress, your body will be in fight or flight response and will not be able to rest and adapt and recover in order to grow, in order to maximize your muscle growth. And if you want to build muscle, that is very crucial thing to try to manipulate if you want to maximize your gains. The reason why you're watching this video is because you want to maximize your muscle growth potential. And that's what I want to help you out. And that's what I think you will want to hear what ashwagandha offers. So I will talk about the mechanisms of ashwagandha behind muscle growth. After that, I will share my own experience and I will answer the question whether it is worth taking ashwagandha. And I again will state the pros and cons of using ashwagandha. One of the key ways ashwagandha helps support muscle growth is by controlling your cortisol levels. So cortisol is the stress hormone that can negatively impact your muscle growth when being elevated over a long period of time. Prolonged high cortisol levels can lead to muscle breakdown, exactly what we do not want to happen. When in stress, your body starts to actively break down muscle tissue. Ashwagandha helps prevent that. When you're not in a homeostasis, your body is not prioritizing muscle building. Your body is trying to survive. Your body is in fight or flight response. The only thing that it cares is about survival. Ashwagandha helps restore that balance once again, and it helps your body to shift its focus back to muscle development, muscle growth, and recovery. The second thing that ashwagandha can do, ashwagandha can boost your testosterone levels and can improve your strength. Researchers indicate that ashwagandha may boost your testosterone levels and will increase your strength over time. Studies have shown that men who took ashwagandha experienced significant increases in testosterone and strength levels compared to the men who took placebo. If ashwagandha boosts your testosterone and strength, that is the ultimate combo for muscle growth. The third thing that ashwagandha can do, it can improve your recovery. It has also been shown that ashwagandha can reduce post-muscle damage after a workout and reduce the inflammation after the workout. And this will allow you to recover quicker, training more effectively and seeing more muscle growth. The testosterone boost, the strength improvement, and the quicker recovery time are found in that one specific study that I will leave down into the description in order for you guys to see it as well. Men from the age of 18 to 51 take ashwagandha or placebo, and the ones who took ashwagandha were shown to increase their bench press PRs, their leg extension PRs. Their testosterone has also been shown to increase, and the studies have revealed that they haven't damaged their muscles that much compared to the ones who took placebo. This is really fascinating, and it's a very good indicator for muscle growth. Now, the fourth thing that I want to talk about is ashwagandha can improve your sleep quality by promoting relaxation and setting a stage for a deeper sleep, allowing your body to relax to its fullest. And that's how a good quality sleep is achieved. Ashwagandha sets the stage for a deeper, more restorative sleep, which will help your muscles to recover and grow quicker and more effectively. Sleep is the most essential thing, period. If you sleep enough, if you give your body enough time to recover and adapt, to your muscles to recover and adapt to the workout, bam, you will be ahead of so many people and you will see the results that you want to see. So most of the people go to bed feeling stressed, not relaxed to the fullest, thinking of their problems, how they're going to solve everything. This is affecting your muscle growth so much because you're being stressed just before you're getting to sleep. Before sleep, you need to be relaxed and you need to not think about anything. And ashwagandha can really help you out with this one. Those 4 factors are pretty essential. These are the key elements for building muscle. Now, I will talk about my personal experience. So I've been taking ashwagandha on and off for a year now, and I can confidently say that this herb has made significant impact on my muscle growth and strength development. After a few weeks of taking it, I noticed I was recovering better, my strength was improving, I was getting better quality sleep, all the things that I mentioned. That's what I stated, those benefits, because I experienced them. I was not that fatigued. I was not that stressed. I started taking KSM 66, the best selling extract in the market. I was taking 2 doses, one in the morning and the second one in the evening before going to bed. And I understood why that extract is the best selling product on the market right now. It is really effective. After I ran out of KSM 66, I ordered another ashwagandha, which is by the company Ostrovit, which is a Polish producer of dietary supplements for athletes and people who need supplements. It is not KSM 66 extract, and I now take 1 dose, and I've been taking 1 dose a day, which is the recommended amount for this specific supplement, and I can definitely feel its effects. While ashwagandha was not directly telling my muscles to grow, its benefits are more than enough for us, the natural lifters, to see noticeable changes. Every time I hop on ashwagandha, the first thing that I feel is the relaxation, the awareness. Stress factors are becoming less stressful and I'm feeling more balanced. The other very good thing that I experienced, I've been laser sharp focused. I've been focused at all times. Something that I have been struggling with quite a bit before, and I was struggling with it big time. When I do something, I'm fully concentrated at it without being distracted by something else. And that is another great bonus that ashwagandha offers. So during my last bulk, I have gained a fair amount of muscle mass. I have been bulking for 7 months and I went from 88 kilograms to 101 kilograms. The muscle that I have gained was pretty decent. I work an active, very stressful job. I go to the gym as well. I edit videos, I plan videos, I go through my courses. I'm trying to fix my life, and this is very overwhelming for me. During my last bulk, I was taking creatine, my vitamins and my minerals. I was starting my bulk. That's when I added ashwagandha into my routine, and even though I was sleeping 6 hours a day, I was feeling well rested. My workouts, even on a 6-hour sleep, I was hitting new PRs. I was not feeling that stressed when I was going to work. I was more focused on the stuff that I was doing, and ashwagandha has really helped me out. That's why I can tell my gains can 100% be attributed to ashwagandha. This is pretty much my experience with ashwagandha. Is it really worth it to take ashwagandha in order to build muscle? Yes, absolutely. You should add ashwagandha to your list of supplements that you need to take in order to build muscle. Ashwagandha will help you build muscle, while not directly making your muscles grow. Through other various factors like improving sleep, recovery and stress, it can absolutely help you build muscle by a good percentage. The last thing that I want to talk about, we've stated the pros, now I want to talk about the cons. I want to talk about the negative effects. While ashwagandha offers numerous benefits, it is essential for you to know the side effects, especially when being taken in excessive amounts. The very first thing that is well known, and it's the most famous side effect, if you take excessive amounts of ashwagandha, or you take ashwagandha for more than 2 to 3 months, you will start to see mood fluctuations. You will start to feel apathetic, you will start to feel lack of motivation, like I did. You will start to feel dull, your emotions start to fade away. The things that are making you happy will not be making you happy anymore. The most well-known side effect is the mood switches, and the most common that people experience. The second negative effect is drowsiness. Many people report drowsiness if they take ashwagandha in the morning. During their day, they're feeling sleepy, they're not feeling energized. This is another well-known side effect. How do you fix that? You take ashwagandha prior to your sleep in order to avoid that daytime fatigue and improve your sleep quality. The third side effect, you can actually damage your liver. That's right, if you take ashwagandha for more than 2 to 3 months, some people start to feel those side effects after the second month, after taking ashwagandha for 2 months. Some people start to feel it after the third month, but the third month is the upper limit that you don't want to cross, rather than an adaptogen which can help you out with muscle building if you take it for more than 3 months. Those are the main 3 side effects that I want to talk about. There are so many other side effects like digestive issues, like vomiting, being allergic to the ashwagandha. There are so many side effects, but those are the main ones that I want to talk about as they're the most famous ones. In order for that to not happen, supplement with ashwagandha for 2 to 3 months, then cycle off for at least 2 weeks. Take a break. You can take a break 1 month if you want to, and after that hop on ashwagandha once again. And those are the side effects of using ashwagandha. This thing can actually help you build muscle, and it is a very effective one. I hope I helped you today. I hope I informed you about ashwagandha, and now you know whether you're going to use it or not. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay focused.